Hey everyone, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. This Holi, celebrate with colors and savings, but don't let discounts wash away your profits. For this, we can set discount with a maximum cap. For example, 30% off but capped at $300. So customers enjoy the deal while your margin stays safe. By this way, add colors to your sales, not losses. So watch this video completely to know how to set a 30% off up to $300 like this. So before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips because more seasonal tips are on the way. So for setting up a cap discount in Shopify, I'm using Next Discount app which is available in the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. If you need, just go for it and follow along with me. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create New Discount. Now you can choose the discount code as your discount type and add for a 30% off. Now I'm planning to give a 30% off which is capped at $300. So this capping amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 300. Even though the 30% of the cart value is higher than 300, this cap amount makes sure that the maximum discount will limit it to 300 only. And you can also apply the discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. Let's add it for all the products now. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, you can set that here. I'm adding non-minimum purchase requirement now. Now you can set some customer eligibility like all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order customer like that. Let's go for a all customers option for now. And you can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in total. Like let's say 100 here means this discount amount will be available for the 100 first users. And you can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in by the customer only one time. And you can set some active dates like start date, start time, end date or end time through which the discount or this offer can run through. Like if you are planning to run this offer of the holiday month or the sale is limited to 10 days means you can set that those timings here, weekdays, then those timings from through which this offer can be available is can be activate or set up from here. And you can also combine the discount existing with the existing discounts like the product discount, order discount or a shipping discount. After adding all this, you can save it. Now let's test whether the code has been activated. Now you can see that the 30% off has been activated successfully. Now let's test this setup in our online store. Let's try to buy a product of worth $599 now. Now I'm adding our code. Now you can see that the 30% of $599 has been applied successfully and the user will be getting $179 as the discount amount, which is the 30% of the maximum cart value or the maximum retail price. Now let's test with some other products having a higher price. Let's try to buy $5,000 worth product. I'm applying my code now. So you can see that the 30% of the 5,000 is greater than 300, but we have capped our discount amount at 300. This cap amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond this 300. So this cap amount makes sure that the maximum discount amount which the customer will be getting is limited to 300 only. So that's how you set up a Holi sale with 30% off, which is capped at $300 in your Shopify store. So while you are waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and then just try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.